Are you tired of expensive, complicated email marketing tools? Imagine having a simple, creator-friendly platform that lets you send unlimited emails, automate your campaigns, and build landing pages, all with a one-time payment. That's exactly what SendFox offers through its AppSumo lifetime deal. Designed to serve creators, bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and solopreneurs, SendFox delivers robust email marketing features without draining your budget. AppSumo SendFox. So, what does SendFox do? It's an all-in-one email marketing platform enabling you to organize your email list using custom fields and tags, segment contacts for better targeting, schedule one-time or automated email sequences, and track key metrics like opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes, all within a clean, intuitive interface. AppSumo Plus 2. AppSumo Plus 2. You can even design landing pages and opt-in forms directly in the platform, complete with GDPR-compliant features and RSS feed auto-pull to simplify content-based campaigns. AppSumo Plus 1. Now, let's talk pricing, and it's where SendFox truly shines. Through AppSumo, you get lifetime access with pricing tiers starting at $49, which grants access to Tier 1 benefits, unlimited email sends, automations, custom forms, landing pages, CRM notes, and more for up to 5,000 contacts. AppSumo Plus 1. Find Fahim. Higher tiers, $98, $147, and $196, offer more contact capacity, up to 20,000 contacts, team seats, file storage, and advanced features like integrations and enhanced analytics. AppSumo Plus 1. Plus, there's the optional Empire add-on for $10 per month that removes SendFox branding, enables paid newsletters, offers a full HTML editor, and more professional-grade features. AppSumo SendFox. What are users saying? Many love how easy and affordable SendFox is. One user shared they built and managed a mailing list effortlessly. It is easy to set up, and I can see plenty of further advanced features I'll use as my mailing list grows. AppSumo. Others emphasize the smooth deliverability and great value, easy setup, good deliverability, great price-to-value ratio. AppSumo. The tool shines for creators just starting or operating on a tight budget. AppSumo. Find Fahim. That said, some users pointed out minor limitations, like fewer integration options, basic email template design, and the lack of e-commerce targeting, though most agree these are small trade-offs given the affordable simplicity. AppSumo lifetime deal hub. Find Fahim. In short, SendFox delivers a compelling value proposition for creators and small businesses who need straightforward email marketing without monthly fees. Its pros include lifetime pricing, unlimited sends and automations, a user-friendly interface, and key features like landing pages, RSS integration, and analytics. On the flip side, it lacks deep e-commerce features, fancy templates, and extensive third-party integrations, areas where more complex tools may have an advantage. So, who should use SendFox? If you're a content creator, freelancer, or solopreneur looking for a budget-friendly email marketing system that's easy to use and doesn't hold you back with recurring costs, SendFox is a perfect fit. To wrap up, SendFox removes the barriers many creators face with email marketing, high costs and complexity. With AppSumo's lifetime deal, you get powerful marketing tools for a one-time payment. It's an ideal solution to save time, money, and stress, all while growing your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And hey, let me know if you want a shorter version for quick promos or a more detailed breakdown for a longer review. See you in the next video.